everything you were taught about the universe is incomplete. We are taught that the universe follows a pattern. We were told the universe follows rules. Planets orbit stars. Gravity creates order. But deep in the dark we have found worlds that break every law of physics we have ever written. A planet that rains glass sideways. A world being eaten alive by its own sun. And a ghost planet born before the stars themselves. Scientists are confused, because according to our math these worlds shouldn't exist. But they do. And they are changing everything we thought we knew about reality. Welcome to the day the universe stopped making sense. And this is where it gets worse. Imagine a giant without a body. Meet TOI 849b. It's the size of Neptune, but it has no atmosphere. No gas. No protective layers. It is a naked, exposed planetary core burned clean by the fury of its star. According to our models, a core this massive should have gathered a huge envelope of gas. But instead it sits there like a raw, skeletal remains of a world that was stripped to the bone. It is a planet that lost its soul. A cosmic anomaly that shouldn't be there, but it stands as a reminder that the universe can be a brutal, unforgiving place. From a distance it looks like a beautiful blue marble. Just like Earth. But don't let the color fool you. HD 189733b is a nightmare. The blue you see isn't water, it is the reflection of silicate particles in the sky. On this world it rains glass, and it doesn't fall down. The winds here move at 7,000 kilometers per hour. That's 7 times the speed of sound. This means the glass rain moves sideways, shredding everything in its path with millions of jagged shards. If a human stood there for even a second, their body would be vaporized into red mist instantly. It is a planet where the air itself is a weapon. In the reach of space, gravity is a death sentence. WASP 12b is a planet that is currently being eaten alive. It orbits so close to its parent star that the star's massive gravity is literally stretching the planet into the shape of an egg. Every second, billions of tons of planetary matter are being stripped away, spiraling into the hungry mouth of the sun. The planet is melting. It is glowing with a fever that shouldn't be possible. It is a world in its final death, throws a tragedy on a cosmic scale. Within a few million years, WASP 12b will be gone, swallowed by the very light that once gave it life. Welcome to the most expensive hell in the universe. 55 Cancri. One side of this planet is locked in eternal daylight, facing its star at a distance, so close that the rocks themselves melt. The surface is a literal ocean of burning lava. But beneath that fire, the pressure is so intense that scientists believe the core of this planet is made of solid diamond. It is a world where a sea of fire hides a heart of pure wealth. A planet that burns with a heat that should have destroyed it eons ago, yet it remains. A beautiful, lethal paradox that defies explanation. Finally, we meet the patriarch of the cosmos. PSR B162026b, also known as Methuselah. This planet is 13 billion years old. It was born just 1 billion years after the Big Bang. Think about that. This world existed before Earth, before the Sun, and even before most stars in our galaxy were born. According to our theories, the early universe didn't have enough heavy elements to build planets. And yet here it is, a silent, ancient witness to the entire history of the universe. A world that broke the rules before the rules were even written. We call these worlds impossible, but the truth is they are real. We are the ones whose understanding is limited. These planets are not glitches, they are evidence that our universe is far more diverse and far more terrifying than we ever imagined. We are living on a quiet, safe planet protected by a gentle sun. But just beyond the horizon there are worlds that break reality every single day. So the real question is, are we lucky or just not discovered yet?